In this video, I'll guide you through how to submit a Webflow template. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to share your work or someone new to Webflow, submitting a template can be a rewarding way to showcase your creativity. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step, ensuring you understand exactly what needs to be done. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com/templates/submit template. This page is your starting point for the submission process. Make sure you're logged into your Webflow account, as this will be necessary to proceed with the submission. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's quick and easy. Once you're on the template submission page, you'll see a button that says Submit a Template. Give that a click. This is where the magic begins. This button takes you to the submission form where you'll provide all the necessary details for your template. Next, it's time to enter your details in the provided form. This step is crucial because it's where you'll describe your template and provide any relevant information that potential users might need. Be clear and concise in your descriptions and make sure to highlight the unique features of your design. This is your chance to sell your template to Webflow's audience, so take your time to make your submission stand out. After you've filled in all the required information, you'll need to click on Create Creator Profile. This step is important as it establishes your presence as a creator within the Webflow community. Your creator profile will be linked to your template, providing users with more information about you and your other work. Ensure that your profile is complete and professional, highlighting your skills and previous projects if applicable. Finally, with your creator profile set up and all your template details filled out, you can submit your template. This last step might seem like a simple click of a button, but it's the culmination of all your hard work and creativity. Before you submit, double check all your information to ensure accuracy and completeness. Submitting a high-quality, well-documented template increases your chances of being featured and appreciated by the community. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to submit a Webflow template. By following these steps, you're not only sharing your design with the world, but you're also adding value to the Webflow community. Remember, each template submission is an opportunity to make an impact. So take pride in your work and be sure to put your best foot forward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to share your Webflow creations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Webflow's resources or reach out to their support team. Good luck with your submissions.